In 2012, Yutong Heavy Industries mining dump truck extended its layout in China and the overseas market, which set a leading role for Yutong Heavy Industries mining vehicle. In August 2012, Yutong Heavy Industries undertook the first China mining vehicle driving skills competition to facilitate exchanges and healthy development of the industry. In August 2012, Yutong Heavy Industry YTG-50 rigid mining vehicle was launched, which indicated a firm step towards large tonnage mining dump trucks. In January 2013, Yutong Heavy Industries and Xingyuan Coal Industry Company Limited signed a large amount contract on the supply of mining dump trucks, which created the highest record in China's mining dump truck industry and set a model for the powerful joint between mine and vehicle factory. In March 2013, China Quality Certification Center issued CQC certification to Yutong Heavy Industries, which made it the first enterprise acquiring CQC earth-moving machinery certification in China. In March 2013, Yutong Heavy Industries YTG-50 rigid mining dump truck was awarded Top 50 China Engineering Machinery Product of 2013. It has been 4 consecutive years for Yutong Heavy Industries mining dump truck series to be one of the top 50. In October 2013, the new industrial park of Yutong Heavy Industries has put the production line with an annual output of 10,000 mining dump trucks into use, which demonstrates Yutong Heavy Industries' determination of developing the market again. The launch of new production line enables Yutong Heavy Industries mining dump truck series to keep its leading role in the industry and to win the trust of users at home and abroad through better and more stable quality. To date, Shanxi Xingyuan Coal Industry Company Limited has purchased nearly 400 mining dump trucks from Yutong Heavy Industries and become the biggest client of the company. A leader of Xin County Jian'an Construction Company, the second-phase contractor of Xingyuan, commented on Yutong Heavy Industries as follows. Yutong Heavy Industries is a customer-oriented enterprise in China's mining vehicle industry. Choosing the right enterprise is the key to choosing a product. We decide to cooperate with Yutong Heavy Industries, which is based on the recognition of its brand, trust in its product quality, and experience from its after-sales services. The cooperation would be a new starting point for future joint development. Since the batch launch of Yutong Heavy Industries mining dump truck series in 2009, the series has included YT-3621, YT-3623, and YT-3761 mining dump truck, and the YT-3622 LNG and CNG mining dump truck, YTG-50 rigid mining dump truck, as well as ancillary products YT-560 1GSS mining sprinkler, and YTQ-165 downhole drill. These products have met the diversified needs of users. Our market shares have been steadily upgraded to top 3 in China. Yutong Heavy Industries mining dump truck series follows military industry quality assurance system to produce axle, frame, carriage, and cab, etc. Its machine independent made rate is 65%, significantly higher than the average rate of the industry 40%. All key parts are provided by famous brands with stat quality and high reliability. Therefore, the attendance rate of vehicles is ensured. Compared with other heavy trucks, the series can widely meet various bad mining conditions and different operational conditions. The production of mining dump trucks adopts military industry technologies and a military industry quality assurance system. Yutong Heavy Industries is the first enterprise to realize independent production of axle in China. In addition, its services and parts are significantly reliable. The series axle adopts alloy housing and V-method casting. No casting defaults and strong bearing capacity ensure long working life. Split wheel structure is easy for maintenance. Planetary gear reductor adopts comparative bigger transmission ratio to improve its traffic capacity. Wide box welded structure is the cooperation result by Yutong Heavy Industries postdoctoral workstation and Jilin University. With high overall strength and strong impact resistance, it has been consistently improved based on 7-year market verification. It can be used in various bad mining conditions. Based on the confidence of its products, Yutong Heavy Industries applied to China Quality Certification Center for CQC earth-moving machinery certification in 2012 and passed in March 2013. CQC earth-moving machinery certification is a voluntary certification business jointly carried out by China Quality Certification Center, China Construction Machinery Association, and China National Construction Machinery Quality Supervision Testing Center. Through product test and review of factory quality assurance capacity, CQC logo is authorized to show products' compliance with relevant quality, safety, and performance requirements. In order to realize the large tonnage development of mining dump trucks and rejuvenate China's mining dump truck market, YTG 50 rigid mining dump truck was launched in August 2012. This product is based on advanced design concept and rich mechanical analysis carried out by famous domestic institutions. Our CAE department and postdoctoral workstation. Through precise analysis of easy failure parts, fine positioning, and excellent R&D, new product has reached the attendance rate of 95% since its launch. The new product was crowned with the title Top 50 Engineering Machinery Product of 2012 because of its high attendance rate. Strong practicality, operation ability, driving safety, comfort, easy maintenance, and endurance. It is the 4th Top 50 award for YT series after 2009, 2010, and 2011. Undertaking the mission and responsibility of industry development, Yutong Heavy Industries not only focuses on improving product quality, but also places high value on the operational skills of mining dump truck drivers. It successfully held Yutong Heavy Industries National Mining Vehicle Driving Skills Competition 2012. Through improving drivers' operational skills and strengthening their maintenance knowledge, the competition aimed at reducing failures and accidents, lowering employers' operation costs, and creating bigger value for employers. Since 2012, in order to enhance the timeliness of the supply of parts, Yutong Heavy Industries has established dozens of parts centers in key markets across China, as well as service outlets in more than 40 countries and regions, as to eliminate customers' concerns over the supply of parts. In 2015, Yutong Heavy Industries will be the first one to apply networking system to the operation and the management of mining vehicles, which will help customers to realize whole process worry-free management and to create bigger value for customers. Since Yutong Heavy Industries YT series launched in the market for 7 years, the series has won customers and market share with its excellent performance, high traffic efficiency, assured safety, reasonable deployment, good quality, and considerate service. Now it has become a leading brand in the mining dump truck industry. In the future, Yutong Heavy Industries will continue its considerate service and excellent quality to create the biggest value for customers.